Now that we've looked at the web and we understand exactly how big it is, we need to start looking at how we search it. With a number of results very often ranging in the hundreds of millions, we need to ensure that our searches are accurate enough to get us the information, but not over accurate in terms of losing too many of the fields that we may want to also read about. There are three general levels that I like to consider when searching. The first one is shotgun, the second one is focus, and the final one is refine. A shotgun search is very often done when you just have a general idea of the topic that you're looking at and you aren't sure of the actual terminology that your lecturers may be using in any specific subject. Then a general search can be done using words that you may consider are from the field but you aren't entirely sure of. Very often these so-called shotgun searches are very good for building up a vocabulary of what you need to find, but they aren't very good for finding specific information that you may need. A wide search like this can very often just be done by typing a sentence into the search engine. An example of this could be cooking in South Africa. As you can see, the results that come up are South African recipes, I love cooking, and these are .co.za in the name. Very often this does mean that this is a South African website, but is not a surefire way of ensuring that it is. Here you'll see a .co.nz, which is New Zealand. In other words, this is a South African section on a New Zealand website. Again, searches like this are fine for general searching or perhaps for personal topics, but when you are doing an academic search, these are definitely not the types of results that you want to find. You can't be sure that any of these results are specific to a type of information that you need. For example, perhaps I need a specific type of cooking in South Africa, like Indian or one of these other specialized sections.